What's going on everyone, in this video I'll show you a budget gaming case that nobody else showed you in YouTube. Stay tuned to know everything about it. To begin, this is a mid gaming tower that comes with 4 RGB fans and supports vertical mounting, all at a price of $40 US. I also want to mention that this brand did not sponsor this video and I paid for it with my own money, so this is the honest review. Moving to the specification, this case comes with one USB 3 and 2 USB 1 in the front panel. You can install up to 6 120mm fans, which 4 of them is already pre-installed RGB fans. The case has tempered glass both in the left side panel and the front panel. As you can see, the case is very premium and I really like the quality of the build. Everything feels strong and durable. At this price point, I was amazed that they included vertical mounting in this case. You can even install any 40 series with 3 fans in this case without having any problem. And in this video I'll show you how to install the 3090 EVGA, the 2-slot one, into this case without having any problem. I really like the front panel, everything about it looks very modern. Talking about the fans are very quiet and you can even sense them with your motherboard. I use the Aura software with Asus motherboard and everything looks perfect. Let's go ahead and see some of the RGB effects. As you can see, I installed the EVGA 3090 Ultra Edition in this case without having any problem, vertically mounted, and the design is very slim and fit. However, I want to mention that I wanted to install a Cooler Master Hyper 212 Blackout Edition in this case, which is the CPU cooler, but I could not fit it, so I had to install a Cooler Master H410R. But at the end everything worked out and this case looks perfect and I like it. At the end, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please go ahead, give a like and subscribe.